Welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss the differences between monocrystalline and polycrystalline solar panels. The major difference lies in the construction of solar cell. Here you can see the two types of solar cells, polycrystalline solar cell and monocrystalline solar cell. In monocrystalline solar cell, single crystal of silicon is used and it is usually dark black in color. In monocells, we use a pure form of silicon. These cells are space efficient and the cell is cutted on four sides and the edges are round. Four-side cutting system results in large amount of waste in monocrystalline solar cell. In polycrystalline solar cell, as the name suggests, it is made up of multi-crystal of silicon or polysilicon. Cutting is different than monocrystalline cell. Silicon is melted and poured in a square mold. Hence, you can see a square-shaped cell in poly cell and edges are round in monocrystalline solar cell. From these two diagrams, you can easily identify a mono panel and a solar poly panel. Now we will discuss in detail the advantages and characteristics of monocrystalline solar panels and polycrystalline solar panels. Panel contains cells that are cut from a single crystal of silicon. The composition of monocells is pure because each cell is made from a single piece of silicon. Monopanels are slightly more efficient than polypanels. They also perform better in high heat and low light environment, which means they will produce close to their rated output in less than ideal conditions. However, they cost more than the polypanels and the higher cost is passed on to the buyer. Monopanels are a bit more expensive than polypanels of the same wattage. The manufacturing process for monopanels is also more wasteful than the polypanels. Monopanels are cut from square silicon wafers and the corners are shaved off to make the distinct cell shape. Monopanels have a uniform black look because the cells are made from a single piece of silicon. Polycrystalline solar panels. Polycrystalline solar cells are blended together from multiple pieces of silicon. Smaller bits of silicon are molded and treated to create the solar cell. This process of polycrystalline solar cell is less wasteful because hardly any raw material is thrown out during manufacturing. The blended makeup of the cells gives polypanels their blue color. Polysolar panels are slightly less efficient than monopanels due to imperfections in the surface of the solar cells. In fact, they are cheaper to manufacture, which means they cost less for the end user. Hence, from these two types, you can easily identify the monocrystalline solar panels and polycrystalline solar panels. If we look into the shape of the solar cell and the solar panel, we can easily say which panel is monocrystalline and which one is polycrystalline. Subscribe channel for more videos and don't forget to press the bell icon button. Channel name is Triple E Tech. Thank you.